Hi, my name is Zachary Elshanti and I'm a degree apprentice at Bentley Motors Limited within the new model feasibility team. So I think what made me choose an apprenticeship was having that ability to learn and earn at the same time. I think these are two invaluable things to have, and to have them go alongside each other is just great. So I think what I enjoyed about the apprenticeship was meeting loads of people my own age on the same pathway. You get to meet loads of great friends. You also get to experience new cultures and travel to new destinations. The advice I'd give to anyone applying for an apprenticeship is just to go with it, have no fear. You'll get loads of support from your provider, your learning provider, and also your company provider.